What's up? Today is day 5 of my 30-day art challenge. Today I'm going to be drawing on like a different material, denim to be exact, so that I can make patches. So here's how it goes. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I'm probably gonna cut it out, and then in the next video I'm gonna teach how to sew it onto stuff. I'll probably sew it onto either my battle jacket, or maybe I'll sew it onto like one of these pockets just for fun. But that was day 5.